Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to BCN Top News. I am Sergi Islam Jyoti and I am with you all the time. An epidemic of coronavirus has killed 24 more people in the country. The death toll has risen to 5,748 people. In addition, 1,898 new cases of coronavirus have been reported in the last 24 hours. With this, a total of 3,94,628 people were identified in the country. Durga Puja, the biggest religious festival of the traditional Hindu community, has started from the 6th puja in accordance with the rules of hygiene. The 5-day puja will end on October 26 with the immersion of idol on Vijayadashami. This time the goddess has started in the atmosphere of epidemic corona panic. And keeping the corona situation in mind, this time it is mother worship. Today is National Safe Roads Day. The day is being celebrated across the country on Thursday, October 22 for the 4th time. This year, the theme of the Mujib is, I swear by the year of Mujib, I will make the road safe. President on the occasion of the day, Abul Hamid and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina have given separate statements. Finally, the education boards have decided to refund the money for filling up the forms of this year's higher secondary HSC and equivalent examination. The remaining amount will be refunded after deducting the amount spent on the related work as the examination was cancelled. The money will be returned with the certificate, the source said. The light pressure created in the Bay of Bengal area was in the West Central Bay of Bengal and the adjacent East Central Bay of Bengal on Wednesday, October 21. Today may be more concentrated on Thursday, October 22. As a result, strong winds may blow in the North Bay, seaports and coastal areas of Bangladesh. The railway line in between Chilahati in Nilphamari and Holdibari in Cooch Behar, India will be launched next December, said by Railway Minister MD Nurul Islam Sujan. The locomotive crossed the Holdibari border railway station in India's Cooch Behar district at around 11:30 am on Thursday, October 22 and reached Bangladesh border. After staying there for 10 minutes, he left again for Holdibari. District DB police have arrested drug dealer Abdul Ghaffar with 1 kg of cannabis and cash at Durgapur in Rajshahi. He was arrested in a raid of Dharampur village in Durgapur Upazila on Wednesday night on the basis of secret information. The arrested drug dealer's house is Dharampur village of the Upazila. He is the son of the late Ayub Ali of that village. A volunteer has died in Brazil during a trial of COVID-19 trigger made at Oxford University and AstraZeneca. The 20-year-old lived in Rio de Janeiro and died of corona complications. Even then, the coronavirus trigger trial was not stopped in the Latin America country. The trial is set to begin on Wednesday, October 21, according to Brazil's National Health Watchdog. Popular star couple Srijit Mukherjee and Rafia Rashid Mithila, they too are admired as a popular couple in Bengal. After dealing with thousands of storms, the two have become on, getting a happy family. That is why discussion and criticism always surround these two. Fans are always engaged in them. Shortly after their marriage, the lockdown began due to the coronavirus to remain in two countries. In the last match of the group stage of the President's Cup, Tamim XI lost by 8 runs against Nazmul XI. As a result, Tamim has dropped out of the tournament. Nazmul XI has reached the final from the top of the points tables with 3 wins in 4 matches. Mahmudullah XY has secured the final ahead of Tamim in the points table. Viewers, you have been listening BCN Channel Top News. For more details, please visit our website www.bcnchannel.net. Stay tuned to BCN Channel to get daily updates. Thank you.